good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever time you're watching this video.
Yeah, so guys, today, of course, I go by the name of Seax, and today we are doing hiking. We are hiking Mount Longonot. We are not sure whether we are hiking ama tutachia katikati, but it's a tough day. Like it has been raining like the whole night mpaka sai, because you like I think you'll see a lot of draining water. I mean, yes, you see a lot of waters kama kuna kitu kama hiyo. Yeah, so I don't know kama tuta hike, but tuko karibu the mountain, like Mount Longonot, and it's not even visible from where we are because of the mist and the rain. We don't know how to hike.
It's very cold and it's still raining.
It is, yeah. Ile are cats and dogs. Anyway guys, join us. This hiking is the first activity for the Nakuru Fitness Week. Nakuru Fitness Week happens like each and every year, the first or the second week of January. So this is the second week of January, and the Nakuru Fitness Week is starting today. Today we are starting with the first activity of climbing or hiking Mount Longonot. Yeah, so we have like a whole week of activities, but let's start na hii. Alafu next week tuende cycling. Yeah. Adios.
Muchachos.
The route from the highway, that's like the Maimayu Naivasha highway, it's terrible. Like that route coming in from the road is terrible. Check venye nimekwama tope. Tumesukuma gari, kuna gari fulani imekwama hapo, tukasukuma. So finally we're here to go at the foot of Mount Longonot, and we are ready to start our journey. Here it might take like 5 hours. Sijui kama tuta make it, but for me I want to do like the whole trip. So sasa tuone venye kutaenda. Unafanya side gani? Unamaliza yote? Unataka kufika wapi?
The first resting place. Kitu hapo ndo ngoje hapo. Utapanda nikae hapo mimi.
So guys, tuko hapa at this amazing place at the foot of Mount Longonot. We are ready for the journey. Like it's raining still, but tuko sure we'll make it. Yeah, I'm sure I'll make it. Like we have a team of about 30 people. We came with a bus and some personal cars. So we're ready for this. So join us. Unafeel aje?
Kasi kuna mti. Ina feel ni kama one step forward to success. Ndio tunaanza. I am really not excited. I'm scared actually, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. This you can't have come early, but tutaona pale nitafika.
Yeah, so this is the starting point. We're about to start that journey. By the way, I'm scared, but I'm sure I'm scared. Yeah, but I'm sure I'll make it to the top and go around the rim. Yeah, I'm yes. Wow. Yes. Nishaita miungu zangu, now I'm ready. Unafeel aje?
Mimi niko poa. Nakuru City Fitness Week tumefika Longonot. We're so excited to be here. Mulima ndo hii, sisi ndo hawa. Nakuru Fitness ni next week. All else.
Maoni?
Nenda tumaliza level 1 na nimehema hivi ka tractor. Hey, ni exercise. For real. Conclusion, I am not fit at all. Nowhere near fit. Hivyo.
So far?
Not good.
I'm tired. You're tired? It's not easy.
It's been gruesome. I may have suffered apparently in level 1 and I'm already feeling sick. I don't even know if I can complete any other level.
Amka ndo fanya kazi. Failure.
Too tired, suffering.
Ndo mmekaribia level half.
Sikuja hapa if you're
tunaenda 1.
Weak like me, for lack of a better word.
Tuende 1 sasa.
Not easy. Yeah, so guys, we are done with level 1. We are done with level 1 and we're heading to level 2. Yeah, it's not easy. A lot of people wanasema nikaa hawezi endelea wafike level 2, but God willing, I am sure na make it to level 3. Yeah, so nafeel aje? Haluta continue. Twende.
90% of me wants to go back.
No. Tunafika. Usijali. Kurudi ni rahisi.
Hapa ni step.
Pole.
No, kuna watu ni step sana.
Pole.
Ndio mwendo.
So guys, we're heading up here and we are very sure tunafika, si ndio? Tunafika.
Tuone.
Nice. Yeah, so I'm sweaty, I'm tired, and I'm so exhausted. Yeah, we have done level 1. Tumeendelea kidogo. We're just somewhere here to take a break before the final push to the rim of the crater. Yeah, then I think Penda will remain there. Then I'll do to the highest point. Like that is the peak. Yeah, I'm ready. It's not easy, but I'm ready. Anyway, to all the guys who might be coming to Mount Longonot to hike, it's not an easy place. You have to prepare well, and you have, of course, to psychologically prepare to come and hike. Si rahisi. Yeah. Anyway, umepumzika kidogo? Hujapumzika? Tupe tu maoni. Not easy. But we're doing the final push. Like this is the last stop, then we do the final push. So just be ready.
Nataka kubaki hapa.
Ubaki hapa.
I'm tired.
You have to make it to the top.
Hi.
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 Fad, you made it.
I made it, man, and you guys, congrats, you also made it.
How was it?
Hey, it was tough.
Huh?
Especially the last 15 minutes, I almost gave up. But it's nice to be here. It's a lot of fresh air. It was fun. Being a group motivates you.
Yeah.
So yeah, well done to everyone.
Are you going around the rim?
I'm giving it some thought, and then I decide yes or no.
Twende. Twende.
So guys, we finally made it to the level 2, where is the last point you'll be seeing me, because this is where I'm camping. I'm not going around the rim. I'm too tired. In fact, ni Mungu nimefika hapa. This thing is not for everyone. Certainly not for me, but I'm just shocked that nimefika hapa. Needed a lot of pushing and pulling, but yeah, finally got here. So yeah, this is level 2. The rim is 7.2 kilometers round. Yeah, so this is where you leave me. I hope you enjoy the rim. Mimi nitaona pamoja na nyinyi kwa video. Bye.
Imekuwaje?
Imekuwa very nice. At least I feel good.
Like if it was not for
One
him,
person mwengerudia nusu amefika hadi hapa. Yeah? How many feet are we? Let me just check for you. 2,560.
by the way,
2,560 feet.
this guy,
So tunaenda rim.
Tunazunguka rim. Tunafika pale bwana onyesha kilelengamia.
but now I'm not
Kile
Pale.
hapo.
Hapo.
Hapa.
Inaitwa kilelengamia. Tunafika hadi hapo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kilengamia.
Kilelengamia.
Lazima tufike.
Sawa.
Nice. Yeah, so it's time to start going around the rim. Tumeanza. It's 7.2 kilometers to go, but we want to get to the highest point. That's Kelelengamia. Yeah. So Fad is here. Jeremy. Those are the guys who have said like to accompany me. Go.
Okay. We've started going around the rim. It's 146. Cha tuone tutafika saa ngapi huko juu. Then tutarudi summit saa ngapi. Sawa, we go.
Twende. Fad?
Yeah,
Already?
fully ready.
Sawa. Yeah, so we are still on the course. Yeah, We have like one lap. Now the final. Hapa. This Kilele Ngamia.
So just 2 more to go.
2 more to go. Then tuanze kuteremka. It's not an easy thing. So, ukikuja hapa, just make sure you are prepared. Mentally kwanza.
Mentally.
Unafaa kuwa prepared sana. Not easy. But anyway,
na tunapita hapa chini?
Kuja.
Katikati hizi?
Kuja teremke.
Okay.
Alafu, viatu pia. Kuja hapa. Make sure you have like good shoes. Si heavy sana. Pia zikuwe na nini chini. Like slide. Unaweza vunjika ama unaweza slide ukipata uko na Naivasha.
But like Naivasha is just near here.
Yeah.
Ndio ile huko chini.
Like you get to see like the most beautiful views of Naivasha. So, fanyeni kitu at least even once a month. Madam ni aje?
Hivyo.
Once a month.
Once a month.
Hii clay soil.
Looks like clay by the way.
So, uzuri hapa when you're going around the rim, like some places ni kamlima, zingine ni mteremko, zingine flat. So you get to relax and hike bila stress. Yeah. Woo. Kazi. Finally, we are at the topmost, the peak of Mount Longonot. Kilele Ngamia, here we come. Maze, I'm so happy guys. I'm so happy to have made it to this point. It was not easy. So to all my fans, to all my followers, to all my family, I want to thank myself for making it to this place. Kilele Ngamia, Mount Longonot. Yeah! Woo-hoo! I did it! You can do it, by the way. You can do it. I did it. You can do it. Kilele Ngamia. Yes. So, Nakuru Fitness Week. Of course, Nakuru City Fitness Week happens each and every year, the first or second week of January. So make sure the next one you come through. Maze, this is beautiful. Yeah. So the start is today, and we have done the hike of Mount Longonot to the highest point. This is the highest point of Nakuru. Ata, it's not even the highest point of like Longonot. It is the highest point of Nakuru County. So we have made it here. Then from Monday we have a lot of activities going down all the way to Sunday. Saturday pia tuko na bike riding pale Nakuru. So if you are a cyclist, join us. Let's do this. Maze, salute Nakuru City Fitness Week. Woo! Bro, it's raining.
My shoe is torn. But I must get down. Yeah.
Ukishapanda lazima ushuke.
Mpanda ngazi?
Ushuka mwenyewe. Pole.
Yeah.
Lakini live.
It's Nakuru City Fitness Week. So Anything for fitness.
Yeah, so guys, I've been rained on like forever. Mpaka mvua imeisha, tumeanza kukauka. Yeah, so we are done with Klelengamia. We're going back to the to the rim. Anyway, like tunazunguka hiyo rim. Yeah, so we're going back to where we started, then we go down to the gate. It's not easy. We have, I think, used more than almost 2 hours since we started like going around the rim. That's how tough it is. You guys have seen how tough it is. So next time you're coming to Huku, make sure you're prepared, apart from physically, mentally. Yeah. Hey, my day. It has been a tough journey. I think we've taken around how many hours? Close to 4 hours.
About 4 plus.
Yes, just going around this place. Then going down will to me around 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it's just imagine around 6 hours you're supposed like ndio umalize. I'm so tired until I can't even like sijui. I don't know. Like nilianza na psych, but right now.
Can you feel your legs?
Wazee hapana. Right now I feel wow. Lakini it is something you need like to do it once a year, but promise like I'll do it maybe 3 times a year, 3 to 4 times a year. I'll do this. Yeah, so guys, tuteremke chini. Tuna wengine wamefika wapi? Because we left some people here, our friends we came with, angezunguka. Yeah, so let's go back and see. Kama bado wanatungoja wameenda. Wazee miguu zangu. Kai. So guys, we are back after like tulitoka hapa sangapi? Saa 5. It's 5. Yeah, we are back.
5:30.
5:30. Wow.